So hi friends, in this lecture we are going to learn a clone stamp tool to remove an object or a person from image. This is a traditional way to remove any object from your image. And don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon, leave a comment and let's get started.
Graphic teacher.
I just select lasso tool and I select the background which I want to replace. I want to remove that man. So I just select the copy and Ctrl J to duplicate a selected. Just move on that man and increase the size to match the border and enter or double click. See, now your 80% work is done. So I just take stamp tool, pressing S and increase the size near 100 or 200 and make it angle also, rotation also 0 and press Alt to select area which you want to copy to replace there. Before that, I just mask the layer and brush up some areas. Mask the areas which I think the original was better. So there the man is visible. So I Ctrl Z and this much area is fine because the original is better. And now I select the exact layer instead of mask. I just press Alt or Option in Mac, click from there and sample area. This is fine now. Alt again, Alt and select nearest area and just click on the object. See, now it's replacing the area which I selected from pressing Alt and replacing on just clicking on areas which I don't need. You can press Shift and directly click on it. So I merged the layers, Ctrl E, and now I started stamping which I don't want. Press Alt or Option and select the hazy areas. Now I want to remove man's head. So select the near area, increase hardness a little bit because I don't want much haziness on the edges because already textures are there. See, select Alt Option nearest area and replace that brush on his head. Adjust the hardness and size anytime according to your preference. Alt, take a reference, Alt, take a reference and start clicking. See, this way you can stamp and remove things from your image and this is the traditional way. I'm going to show you rest of the stamping tools in my next lecture. And don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Leave a comment. Thank you. Thank you very much.